So there's a section for 18-year-olds and over. They've got their own pool as well.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So we've gotten off at Circular Quay, and there she is, our Disney cruise ship, the Wonder, with the Harbour Bridge sitting behind. And over there, the Opera House. And I've got my ears on and my happy birthday on too. The Disney Wonder, our home for the next 4 nights.
I'm gonna get on.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Mark, you excited?
Yeah.
Daddy, you're excited?
Disney Wonder, please welcome the Shoe family.
It's my mom's birthday. Yay!
So we're on deck 9.
Oh, there's bingo.
Bingo. Oh yeah, they have.
I might check out deck 9 if there's nothing happening from I'll grab a quick flight away and I might take out
Correct. So they know their room number before they finish it. So if they buy anything in there right now, they just need to tell them what their room number is.
There we go. Oh look, there's a meat one now. Your dad's going to be upset about that. Here we go.
Hello.
Hi.
One cheese.
Just one? No, get.
No, I want one.
You have lunch already. We have cabana shopping as well.
Oh, we just.
Do that again? There we go.
Hello again.
Hello. Let's take a little video of these cool things. So we have found it. And then our key card gets left in the fish. So you come inside and straight away you see the wardrobe. It comes with a safe. And there's a lot of room to put your luggage in as well. They do give you a lot of coat hangers. And then we have a separate toilet area to shower area. They are very skinny. And there's a sign that even says, watch your step. Because as you can see, there's a bit of a step. So this is the toilet area. You have your sink, you've got your mirror. You've got some more shelving. Not sure what that is. Oh, shavers only, some kind of shaving thing. You got a place for your towels. And it's Mickey Cruise Line towels. So as you can see, it is quite narrow from one to the other. So you come out and then you can go into this part, and they do have the light on the outside. And you've got another mirror. And you've got the shower. So it's a movable shower head. And you've got the little line that you can attach. Some shampoo, conditioner, a handle, lots of tissues. That's the sink. Some more towels. So this is narrow as well, but not quite as narrow as the toilet area. If it's your birthday, you get a little gift. So I got like a happy birthday badge as well. So then we've got the double bed. So you've got a little drawer. They are American like PowerPoints. And this is what the lamp looks like without the light on. And then you have like another drawer in there, and that leads into another little area. This bed pulls out in, well, this lounge pulls out into a bed, and you've got curtains that you can use to close it. So if you're traveling with children, they can have their own, or even some more adults, they can have their own little section. So this is the standard room with the window view. And then over here we have a TV. This TV does move, as I discovered when I accidentally bumped into it. It moved. So it does move. I love these little handles. We've got some more storage space. I've just got my bag in there at the moment. You have a little fridge in here, which is a bit like a cooler. Okay, how do we open it? I haven't opened it yet. There we go. It doesn't feel very cold at all, but down there it looks like that's where you would adjust the temperature. These drawers, the first one, it comes out as a double, And it does come with a hairdryer. So you don't need to pack a hairdryer like I have done. You've actually got one that comes with the room. Just make some squeaky sounds. Got a little stool. You've got a mirror. And they do give you an adapter. So you can bring your own, but they will give you one as well. Because as you can see, these are American PowerPoints. And this is our window. So you can close the blinds. We haven't left it. So we are still in Sydney at Circular Quay. And we're on level 5. Also, near the bed, you've got your air conditioning, which will come out somewhere. There is a safe as well where you can put your belongings that you need to be locked up. So that is the stateroom with the ocean view.
Yeah, this is open at 12. Open at midnight.
Okay, and then I'll take what about a week ago. And I'll have 10% battery.
So if they're using that Oceanview Club, that's on the same floor as well. That'd be easy.
7 to 6. Chris, can I take you? Chris, it goes from 4:30 p.m. Can we go in at 4:30? What's in there? What's in the nursery? What's in the nursery? What's in it?
It's hot, so.
Because Mum told me it's for babies. So.
That's why you're going in.
Let's do it.
Oh, the marble. You eat the popcorn there, you can have a figure.
This is the popcorn we could smell.
That's a
You're supposed to
popcorn.
sit down and fall down.
Oh, looking for N or
Well, this is in.
May I have your attention, please? A mandatory emergency drill for all guests will take place today prior to sailing. You must go directly to your stateroom, put on warm clothing and comfortable shoes, take all critical medication with you, and don your life jacket. Then proceed to your assembly station. Life jackets for each member of your party are located on the top shelf of your stateroom closet. The life jackets come in sizes for adults, children, and infants. If you are in need of a different size than was provided, please see your stateroom host or hostess. For those traveling with an infant, contact your stateroom host or hostess about special instructions regarding the usage of infant life jackets. Although you may hear
So there's a section for 18-year-olds and over. They've got their own pool as well. And they've got their own bar and places to sit at the back of the boat. They've got some games. They have table tennis and basketball. They got foosball too. And Mark, you get basketball from over there. There's a basketball from over there. Either one. So this would be the 18-year-olds and over. So it is bunk beds.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, wait.
There you go.
Ariel's still there.
Ella and Tiana and Cinderella and Belle. All they're all out.
No, Snow White. No,
All the princesses are out.
Snow White is not there.
Got Belle, Cinderella,
Hello.
Tiana, Ariel. And over here we've got Mickey. Oh, Pluto's up there. Oh my goodness, they're all out. Pluto is up there.
Mickey's there.
Mickey.
I wish I could see more Mickey.
We're gonna go see Belle. Yep, we're gonna go down and see Belle. Look, here we go.
All the princesses are out. All four of them.
Except for Snow White as well. Oh, even the one with the fog. Even the one.
Disappointing if you were among them.
You've been putting time out.
Affirmative.